You finished the job under budget. The client paid on time. So why is there no money in the account? Because somewhere between the field and the invoice, profit disappeared. Unbilled hours. Unapproved change orders. Costs you forgot to track. You're working harder than ever, but your margins are vanishing into administrative chaos. Every job is a gamble when you can't see where the money actually goes. Jobs that should be profitable aren't. You invoice what you remember, but the unbilled work piles up. Someone approved costs without telling you. Expenses that should have been charged to the client got buried in your records. By the time you realize what slipped through, the invoice is already sent and the opportunity to recover that revenue is gone forever. Your subcontractors are a black box. Who's actually making you money? Who's costing more than they're worth? You can't remember who worked last month or who still has current insurance. Everything lives in text messages and email threads. When you need a reliable electrician, you're guessing based on memory instead of data. You're paying premium rates with no idea if they're justified. You discover the job is losing money after you've already spent it all. Costs crept up week by week, but you had no way to compare what you estimated against what you're actually spending. By the time accounting tells you there's a problem, you're already tens of thousands over budget with no way to fix it. You needed to know last month, not today. Construction job tracking changes everything. When you open the database, you see your complete command center, job tracking, cost monitoring, subcontractor management, and billing control all in one place. Every feature built specifically to protect your profit margins. This is what visibility looks like when you stop flying blind and start managing with real data. Open bill exceptions and immediately see every billing mismatch across all your jobs. Billable work that hasn't been approved yet. Non-billable items someone approved by mistake. Every exception flagged before it costs you money. Filter by job, by date range, or by subcontractor to find exactly where the administrative cracks are. You catch the errors before invoices go out, which means you recover revenue that used to disappear silently. No more mystery profit leaks. Pull up SubRev and finally see which subcontractors are actually profitable. Total revenue, total cost, and hours worked for every sub in your system. Compare rates across trades. See who hasn't worked in 6 months. Check their last workdate and know exactly who to call for the next job. No more guessing who's worth their rate. You make hiring decisions based on real performance data, not fading memories or gut feelings. Open Job Profit and see the truth about every active job right now. Gross profit, total billed versus actual cost, and average markup all in one view. The moment a job starts going sideways, you see it. Cost variance appears in real time, not weeks later when it's too late. Filter by status or client to prioritize the jobs bleeding money right now. You protect your margins while there's still time to act. Stop losing profit to chaos. Construction job tracking is a one-time purchase. No monthly subscription. Instant download. Works on Windows. You get lifetime access to protect every job you run from this day forward. Click the link below and take control of your margins today. Get construction job tracking now and keep the profit you've already earned.